Hey guys, today I'm really excited because I just received this motion sensor outdoor wall lights for viewing purposes. It's a set of two wall lights that you can place it outside of your entrance, beside your door, or wherever you want to place them in your backyard and anything. And I think they're really nice. They've come with everything that you need to install them, all the instructions, all the stuff that you needed to wire it and everything, which I think that it's great. Okay. These are the proper main units. It's a set of two, as I've said, and they have this really nice, interesting design. Okay, it has the light bulbs on the sides, and you get even included a spare one, which I think that it's really nice. It just has this kind of little light that I think that they are gonna be really nice. They are LEDs, and it seems like a really simple installation that doesn't take that much long. So let's go ahead and start assembling them. Let's see how it works. Okay, come on. Okay guys, as you can see, the proper installation process of these lamps is actually really simple. The instructions are really clear, and what I like about these lamps is that it has three different lighting modes that you can interchange depending on what you need. The first automatic mode, it's at a 40% brightness when there's no motion, and when a motion is detected, someone or something moves, it goes to the 100% motion, just so it comes back up to 40% when there's no motion. A auto turn on enough when there's motion, and a dusk-to-dawn mode, making them perfect for any kind of situation. Okay guys, as you can see, they are all installed and I think that they look amazing. As you can see, it was a really easy installation that didn't take that much long, and you can do it all by yourself. You can see it, I did it by myself, and it was really easy. All the instructions are really clear. I like them a lot. They have this warm light that I think that it's going to be perfect to place them whatever you need them, in your entrance door like I place them, or in your hallway, wherever you want to place them. I think that they are really nice. I like a lot the function that they use, so you can change them well depending on what you need or the necessities that you get where you're going to place them, which I think looks great. And overall, because they were really nice, really easy to install, they look perfect. I like a lot the material quality. Everything feels really nice. I would really recommend them. See you guys.